What is up, guys? Jonathan Douglas here, and today we're going to be reviewing the Razer Huntsman Mini. Now, if you guys don't know, Razer has dropped a new keyboard, and it's a 60% keyboard. Obviously, it's relatively new. It came out, like, I want to say a week or two ago. So, I managed to get my hands on one of them, and right here we got it, boys. You already know we got it. So, it's actually a funny story. I wanted to get rid of my original keyboard, which was the Razer Chroma. And this thing is just too big. I have like no mouse room. So I wanted a 60% keyboard. And I wanted the 60% keyboard before the Razer Huntsman even came out. So I was looking at Ducky One 2 Mini. And I was just looking at all of that. And I'm thinking to myself, yeah, okay, I could go for a 60% keyboard. We'll keep it small, keep it nice. And a couple days later, all of a sudden I see a video and it goes, Razer Huntsman Mini has dropped, and it was a 60% keyboard, and I go, wow, that could not have been perfect timing. So, I went to the website, and I bought one. So we could just chuck this out. Bye-bye. On to the Razer Huntsman Mini. When you open it up, you get some instructions, obviously, because it's a 60% keyboard, so it's taking out all these other keys. So, what you want to do is you want to press FN, and then any of the, keys that light up and they'll do whatever. So that's good to know. I need this. Here is the keyboard, and I took time to change literally all of this right here to white because I have a black and white setup. Obviously, I think I've said that many times in videos, but I like black and white shirt. My dream car is a Corvette, and guess what color I want that in? Black and white. I don't know, I'm a black and white kind of person. So I took the time to change out the keycaps and everything. Sadly, these keycaps don't tell me how to use the like when I press FN and whatever. All I know is FN and 0 will do the F11 command, which makes the screen full, which obviously I need that when I'm game, or just whenever. What I also really like about this keyboard is that you don't need the Razer Chroma app. All you do is have to press FN control and press 1, which will turn it on or turn it off. FN control 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and on. It will give you different kinds of RGB lighting designs. Now, my favorite one is FN control 5, which is the RGB rainbow effect. And I just really like that personally. I had it on my other one, and I will keep it on this one. One more thing I really like about this keyboard is that it is detachable. So I can just take it off or plug it right back in. And you can use whatever wire you want to plug it right in. Overall, gaming with this is pretty nice. I've actually had really fun with it. It's just, I'm getting used to the sound. But other than that, playing with this keyboard is really fun. Now for the sound test. So that's going to end up the video. Razer Huntsman Mini, 60% keyboard. Definitely a purchase you're going to have to make. Guys, I hope you did enjoy the video. If you did, leave a like and subscribe. Turn post notifications on because you guys want a notification every time I post a video. And yeah, guys, peace out.